find the maximum and minimum values of x cube plus y cube minus 3a x y. Where the solution given f of x will take given f of x, or you can take it as an z also, you can take given z is equals to x cube plus y cube minus 3a x y, where your z is going to be the function of x and y, where z is the function of z will be the function of x comma y. Now what we will do, partially differentiate this equation with respect to x and with respect to y. Partially differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and y. First we will do with respect to x. Dou z by dou x, it's equals to 3x square. The second term will become 0 minus 3a y. That will make it equals to equation number 2. Or we will substitute simultaneously instead of making one more step. Right. Since according to the theory, your dou z by dou x has to be equal to 0. That means 3x square minus 3ay, it's equals to 0. That will mark it's equals to equation number 2. Now the same equation you have to do partially differentiating with respect to her y. What we are going to get with respect to y, dou z by dou y, it's equals to 3y square minus 3ax. Since dou z by dou y value is equals to 0 according to the theory, so we are going to get dou z, why dou z, 3y square minus 3ax is equals to 0. That is your equation number 3. Now we are going to solve equation 2 and 3. From equation 2, what I can get the value? Anyhow, it's equals to 0. Na? What we are going to get from that? Yes, from equation.
X square is equal to A.
Yes, from equation 2, we get 3x 3x square, it's equals to 3ay, where 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and what we can take y, it's equals to x square by a. I got the value of y is equals to x square by a. Now I will substitute this equation into equation number 4. Substitute equation number 4 in equation number 3. What I am going to get? 3 of x square by a whole square minus 3ax is equals to 0. That it's going to be 3 x power 4 by a power 4 minus 3ax is equals to 0. then 3 x power 4 minus 3 a to the power of 5 into x, it's divided whole divided by a power 4, it's equals to 0. Oh, it will be as a what a square, no? Not 5, it will be, this is whole square divided by whole square. So in that case it will be 3x power 4 minus 3a cube by a square. Now cross multiply this one, it will reduce to 3x power 4 minus 3a cube, x is equals to 0. Even I can take 3 as common from here. 3 of x power 4 minus a cube x, it's equals to 0. Again take this 3 on this side. X power take this 3 on this side. So it's going to be x power 4 minus a cube x is equals to 0. From here I can take x as common. X of a x x cube minus a cube, it's equals to 0. x is equals x is equals to 0, or x cube minus a cube, it's equals to 0. X cube, it's equals to a cube, x is equals to 0, and x is equals to a. So we got two values, x is equals to 0 we got, x is equals to a we got. Now what we will do, we'll substitute that here. So we are going to get a y values. Substitute x values in equation number 4. That is what is that equation? Y is equals to x square by a. Y is equals to x square by a. When first value, when x is equals to 0, when x is equals to 0, what is going to happen to your y? Y is equals to 0 square by a, it's equals to 0. When x is equals to a, y is equals to a square by a, it's equals to, then one single a will left occur. So what values we got? When x1 comma y1, it's equals to 0 comma 0, and x2 comma y2, it's equals to a comma a. So we got two stationary values. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. When x is equals to a, y is also equals to a. Now we will find our L, M, N values, where your L is equals to dou square f divided by dou x square. It's equals to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. We are having the value of dou f by dou x. What is that value? Dou z. We are dealing with z, no? So it should be z then, not f. So it should be dou z, and this also should be z. So what is that value of dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is equals to 3x square minus 3ay. It's equals to dou by dou x of 3x square minus 3ay. Again you have to do the partially differentiating with respect to x. So it's equals to 6x. L value is equals to 6x. Similarly, your m is equals to dou square z by dou x into dou y. Dou x into dou y, which we can write dou by dou x of dou z by dou y, which is equals to dou by dou x of dou z into dou y value is equals to what? What do we got? Dou z by dou y value is equals to 3y square minus 3ax. 3y square minus 3ax. Now what you have to do outside again with respect to x? The first term will become 0. From here we are going to get minus 3a. M is equals to minus 3a. Now n we have to find. N is equals to dou square z by dou y square. It's equals to dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. It's equals to dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3ax. Now outside with respect to y we have to do, which is equals to your n is equals to 6 y. Now we have to do the investigation. What we are going to get, whether this case is going to be maximum or minimum. That is your ln minus m square we have to find, which is equals to, what is our L? L value is equals to 6x. 6x into your n is equals to 6 y, then minus m m is equals to minus 3a whole square. It's equals to 36 x y minus 9a square. Now at the point 0 comma 0, that means your x is equals to 0 and your y is also equals to 0. Ln minus m square, it's equals to 36 into 0 into 0 minus 9a square. It's equals to minus 9a square, minus 9a square, which is less than 0. Ln minus m square, it's less than 0. That means it's not an extreme value. Is not an extreme value. So whether it cannot decide whether it's going to be minimum or a maximum. There is neither maximum nor a minimum at point 0 comma 0. Now we will go for a next point. What is our point? Next point
A comma A.
a comma a. Same we have to substitute ln minus m square, where you are at point a comma a, ln minus m square, which is equals to 36x 36xy minus 9a square. It's equals to 36 of a a into a minus 9a square, which is equals to 36a square minus 9a square. 36 minus 9 is equals to how much?
37.
37. It's going to be
Not
you
27.
yeah, ln minus m square, it's equals to 27 a square 27 a square. And what about your l? And l is equals to, l also we have to check what is our l value. First of all, l is equals to 6x. 6 into a, which is equals to 6 a, that is 6x. L value is equals to 6x. We are substituting that value is equals to 6a we got. Even 6a is greater than 0. Your ln minus m square, it's greater than 0, and your l is greater than 0. Then the system is known as, is a point of
Minimum.
maximum or a minimum?
minimum.
Yes, it's a point of minimum. Now what we'll do, we have to substitute your x comma y, which the given equation is, what is that equation? X cube plus y cube minus 3ax
Ma'am,
y.
ma'am, now what should we do? I got the minimum thing, but then
Then after that you have to substitute into the given function. Here you have to, given function was x cube plus y cube minus 3a x y. So you are going to write, we got as in a minimum case, minimum of f of x comma y at point of a comma a, which is equals to a cube plus a cube minus 3a into a, which is equals to 2a cube minus 3a cube, which is equals to minus a cube. The minimum function is equals to minus a cube. Is that clear?
yes, ma'am.
Did you got it?
Yes, ma'am.